Hello. This is just a quick premiere, kind of practice doing a premiere, and introduce you to our new buddy. This is Jaffrey. He's gonna hang out with us for a while, maybe build some projects. We did a movie premiere on last Friday night on July 1st for our 20 years of the Sullivan Challenge movie. So, movie that Kevin Honeyman put together, edited footage from all 20 years of our skateboard race. So we're going to premiere it on YouTube Wednesday night at 7 p.m. Mountain Time. So if you want to check it out with everyone at the same time, log on to the Berley Skate YouTube channel at 7 o'clock Mountain Time Wednesday night. You can watch the film. I guess if you get this message later, you can probably watch it anytime you want. So that's all. We'll set that up for our practice of a premiere. Good chance to introduce you to our buddy Jaffrey. Hey buddy. There's no water in there. Oh, there is some water in there. I don't know if you want that water. He's very curious. Terror. Jaffrey the Terror. Well, that's all. Hope you check out our movie on Wednesday night. A lot of hard work. I enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.